PhilHealth owes the Philippine Red Cross 700 million pesos. PRC Chair and Senator Richard Gordon threatened to stop accepting COVID-19 government testing requests if PhilHealth does not pay its bill. Gordon stressed non-government organizations can keep on conducting COVID-19 tests without payment from the government. The senator said PhilHealth had given an advance payment of 100 million pesos. However, the money has already been used up.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.